tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a little different. I am doing a little bit of grocery shopping and cleaning my refrigerator out and packing the refrigerator with the groceries. So I wanted to kind of just take you guys through as I am doing a complete overhaul of my home. I'm cleaning and doing laundry and washing the dishes and doing all the things. But I just kind of wanted to take you guys through the day as I had to do grocery shopping and, you know, clean my refrigerator out and do all the things, you guys. Like, it's serious in today's video. So we have a lot to do today. It's very much jam-packed. So I hope you guys are cleaning with me. I hope you guys are, you know, unpacking groceries or whatever it is that you guys are doing that you have on your to-do list today. Let's tackle this to-do list and get it done.
My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too, cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
So my son is going ahead and he's going to be washing the dishes because it's actually nighttime now and he's going to be washing the dishes. So he's just going ahead and cleaning out the sink, and then you're going to see him washing the dishes. It is his nightly chore. So sometimes he does it late, sometimes he does it early. And this particular night, he was doing it right after dinner. So this is why the, sink was so dirty.
No one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 You were gone made the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So this is what the kitchen is looking like after he was done. And he always does such a great job, you know, with the dishes and cleaning the kitchen and everything. And I just love how everything is just so clean and neat and tidy, and literally just put the kitchen to sleep. And it just looks absolutely incredible. So I love how it turned out. So right now I'm in my robe and my head tie. I woke up this morning. I just really wanted to get this packing started. So I started packing my dining room, like console table, dresser, and also the one in my living room, because I sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and I had someone that came and actually picked them up. So I was just kind of getting them, you know, unpacked and ready anyway for that, but I still had to pack boxes because, you know, have to get everything packed up and ready to go. So I was still packing stuff and cleaning. So I just figured I'll add these little packing videos in the cleaning videos, so that I can kind of just show you guys what is going on, and also I can kind of give you guys like some packing tips if you are looking for any.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
So right here, what I'm doing right now is I'm actually wrapping my vase in a table runner. That's a tip for you guys. You don't have to go out and buy bubble wrap. If you have blankets or table runners, tablecloths, anything like that, throws, you can wrap all of your glasswares, stemwares, vases in those, because they're actually more protected that way, and it actually saves you more money in the long run. So again, I'm using a blanket to pack the boxes. So I put the blanket at the bottom. I kind of fold it in half, put it in the bottom, and then I put like all my vases and glasswares and anything that is breakable. I put it in there, and then you see me here just folding the blanket over them so that they will be well protected. And let me tell you guys, this actually does work. I've packed boxes so many different times, and I use my blankets and everything to wrap up all of my breakables. And when I, you know, unpack the boxes, my breakables are intact. And so I love using this tip. I love using this idea, and I hope that this saves you too if you are also in the process of packing and moving. So you guys, now it is night and I am just kind of freshening up the house before we go to bed. I am so exhausted, you guys. I've literally been moving all day long, cleaning, packing. My kids are home on break, so Nyla has been busy. I've been cooking dinner and it's just been a hectic day. But nonetheless, I am trying to put the house to sleep before I head upstairs to bed. Also, so the floors, they were a little dirty because the person that came to pick up the furniture today, they came into the house with their shoes. So I'm going to be mopping that, not tonight, but definitely tomorrow. So that is what you see on the floor. So now I'm going to get into this laundry, you guys. And when I tell you that I am super exhausted, I am so tired. But I'm going to try to get through this laundry and see what I can put away for the night. I may not even get through all of it because the way that I'm feeling, it's like I feel so tired and my eyes are literally, they feel like they have rocks on them, boulders, like little men on my eyes, just pulling my eyelids down because I am so tired. So I'm going to try to see if I can get through this laundry and, you know, get through the rest of the night. So you guys, I'm just literally just putting everything in a basket and I'm going to put it back in the corner and I'm going to continue laundry another day because tonight I am beat, I am done, and I just cannot go any further. So I am definitely going to call it a night. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I've been up since after 3 this morning and it's now after 10 at night. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some motivation and inspiration from it. I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.